Abarth 595 Turismo. Is a very cool small car. The whole family likes it a lot, but it's a 2000, I think 16 or 2017 year model, and the exhaust is about to be rusty and finished. We can take a closer look at it when we have lifted the car. I wanted to find a replacement. The original system, original part, cost 13,000 Swedish, which is very, very expensive, I think. So I found an alternative, this Magneti Marelli Sinfonia system. It's stainless steel, and it cost me only 11,000 Swedish. So I saved 2,000 Swedish buying this one. And it's an active system with a valve, noisy or quiet system. And today we will install it on the Abarth. Exciting. But first, let's listen to the original system, how it sounds. I'm starting it up. Yeah, that's a pretty cool sound. Hope the new one is gonna be just as fine. Going up. Yeah, the rest looks fine. But this one is done. You see here rust and yeah. Doesn't look so good. Looking good. Now let's connect the valve with electricity. Okay, let's try it. It works. Ska inte du gasa lite? Tryck på gasen så blir det. Installation of the power cord is invisible. We hooked up on the cigarette lighter from under this panel. And here's the quiet mode. This medium, and here's, oh, that's super quiet. Perfect. Let's try. very quiet. And noisy mode. Super cool. And the installation of the wiring is invisible. Behind the seats, under the seat, and down here under the center console, and forward here, and then we took 12 volts from the cigarette lighter outlet, but from behind, so the cables are invisible. Beautiful installation. Thank you, Micke Gesson Service Båstad. Beautiful work. Okay, job done. Looks good. It started with that I found it was a ridiculous price with the original standard exhaust for 13,000 Swedish. That's around a bit less than 1,300 euro. And I found it a ridiculous price for a non-stainless steel exhaust. So I started to look for an alternative, and then I found with Magneti Marelli Sinfonia for 11,000 Swedish. That's slightly less than 1,100 euro. Good value and a much better system. And in addition, I got volume control. Hope you liked the video. Take care.